my countrymen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Praise the Lord. Wallahu Akbar. Several days ago, I executed Executive Order number 20, transforming the Philippines into a seller country. Seller country. Alam nyo wala namang bumibili na kumikita Yung nagtitinda, maski maliit lang kumikita, like yung mga grocery store. Ikaw, bili ka lang bili, hindi ka naman kumikita. Ganon rin yung bansa. Yung bansa natin, bili ng bili, kung ano, sa Singapore, maski yung toothpick na magawa din sa Pilipinas, yung sapatos na magawa sa Pilipinas, bili ng bili sa China. Tama yan Kasi kung bili na lang bili, we will remain a buyer country, we will be losers forever. Pamatong, Eli Velez Pamatong. President Eli Velez Pamatong will reverse the trend. Starting today, we will be sellers country throughout the world. We will not buy from abroad. We will not import from abroad. Any product that can be produced in the Philippines or locally, we will produce. So we will only export things that the other countries need, and we will import only things that we need absolutely. If not absolutely needed, then we will not import them, like luxury cars. And that is only good for the 40,000 or 50,000 billionaires in the Philippines. The 104 million are suffering, they don't need luxury cars. And other goods that are not needed for our day-to-day survival. But of course, we will export all the books that will teach our people for the knowledge they need. All technical books, all books on science, we will import them. Because our policy is to be perfect like our Father in heaven is perfect, to be all-knowing. Because our destiny, as I have said in the Bible that I wrote, is not to die, but to rise to the purity and perfection of the gods and rule the universe with God. That is the ultimate destiny of man. So I want the Philippines to be a seller country. Lahat ng kaya natin gawin sa Pilipinas, gagawin natin. Para tayo maging progressive. Mr. Duterte, please resign and give me a chance to make this country into a seller country. Thank you and good day.